Hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between Blaze AI versus Jasper. Which is best for small businesses? Well, small businesses need efficient, affordable AI content tools. Blaze AI focuses on simplicity for solopreneurs, while Jasper offers robust features for scaling teams. In this video, we'll be comparing the features, pricing, and pros and cons, and this will help you decide. The links to both services are in the description to help you get started after this video. And starting with the features, both offer AI content creation, brand voice customization, and SEO tools. They integrate with platforms like Google Drive for workflow ease. Now, distinctively, Blaze AI has Blaze Designer for creating visuals, such as for Instagram posts, and multi-channel content repurposing in over 60 formats. Jasper, on the other hand, has a Chrome extension for real-time content and supports over 25 languages for global reach. Now, when it comes to the pricing, Blaze offers a tiered pricing model with several plans tailored for different user needs. It does start with a free trial to test the platform, although you need to provide your card details in order to start your trial. You have the creator plan priced at $34 per month, and this plan is for individuals, and this includes a single user and brand kit. The pro plan is at $49 per month, and this plan is for those expanding their marketing efforts with more features and unlimited words. The team plan is at $79 per month, offering more users and brand kits. The agency plan comes at $200 per month, and this is for agencies managing multiple brands. And now to Jasper's pricing. Jasper's pricing is a seat-based and designed to scale with your team's growth, with a focus on both individual and large enterprises. You have the Pro plan at $69 per month per seat, adding features like user management, collaboration, and multiple brand voices. The business plan, however, is at a custom pricing, and this is tailored for large organizations with advanced needs, offering unlimited usage and dedicated support. And now to the pros and cons. Blaze AI on the strong side is easy to use, affordable, has a Blaze Designer, and solo friendly. On the downside, it's limited with languages and has fewer integrations. Jasper on the strong side with the pros supports over 25 languages, collaboration tools, Chrome extension, strong SEO, and high quality output. On the downside, it has a steep learning curve and it can be pricier for small budgets. In conclusion, Blaze AI suits small businesses with its affordability and simplicity. This is ideal for solopreneurs. Jasper is better for teams needing advanced features but maybe costlier. So go ahead and choose based on your budget and your skill. Don't forget to check out Blaze AI and Jasper's links in the description below to get a head start. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.